Hi, I'm Bob Hursthouse.
I'm William Shorvat.
And we are really excited to be at John and Patty's house today. We've got two things we want to talk about today. We want to kind of walk you around, show you John and Patty's garden and the beautiful detail here. And we have a really exciting announcement at Hursthouse is that Bill has come on board to lead off a new maintenance initiative for us. So Bill's got great skills, great eye, and a gift for maintaining beautiful properties all around the Chicago Metro. So we're really excited to have you on the team, Bill.
I'm really glad you brought me on board. I'm really looking forward to taking care of your award-winning designs and bringing them to fruition.
Well, here's one we're standing in the middle of right now, John and Patty's garden, and you pulled together and honored the intent of the design, and it's just beautiful.
Let's take a look.
I'm with you. Well, I got to tell you, Bill, this space feels amazing. Just the flow and the direction, you know, as you come into the front entry, this tailored, ordered, structured space. You guys are doing a fabulous job just making sure the design intent has really come off.
Thank you.
And the and the pruning of the plant material. I mean, everything in the design is super linear, and everything in nature here is super linear.
Yes.
So how do you make that all happen?
Everything has scale and balance. And with the textures from the fringe trees coming down to the deutzia, with the liriope and the boxwood, everything has a nice soft, natural appearance to it. However, it is kept with a very linear form, a very soft linear form. So making sure that all the hedges are in alignment with each other, and also making sure that everything, when you're pruned, it has a nice soft textured appearance to it.
Yeah, well, it turns out awesome because when you look at the way this has been designed, it's these series of lines, of linear spaces. You know, we've got the boxwoods and the astilbe with the fringe tree punctuating it, the deutzia, the bluestone, more liriope, the boxwood, liriope again, the wall, the purple leaf winter creeper ground cover. I mean, this is a whole series of really crisp geometric shapes, and they are. And even though it feels very soft and billowy, it feels very tight and ordered.
Yes, even with the astilbe, we've tried to carry off that linear look and that soft look by even pruning them and keeping them within their own parameters to even accentuate the lines that you already have.
Yeah, and it looks just awesome. You just want to reach in and hug these guys, right?
Right.
And there's no big hard shearing that's happened here. You've gone through and we've been very able to naturalize the shape of the plant.
No, so what we'll do is we'll come in here and really put some holes in there and make some deeper cuts below the pruning zone that was done from the nursery. So it allows to get sunlight in here. And then we will come through with string lines and then get them linear, but with hand pruners, and it still gives it that nice soft appearance. So by opening them up first and then getting them linear is how you maintain the soft appearance initially, and then that will help maintain it throughout the year. So I'm already thinking about how we're going to maintain this next year and the year after.
Yeah, so this is long-term preservation of the investment.
Yes.
You're not going to show up here one day and the plants are going to be all thinned out and ratty at the base. They're going to be, and these buds cut across the top. It's always going to have this nice loose form, and even as these grow and mature, we'll be able to keep that up.
Exactly.